Listen to this carefully. Today's idioms are very easy, very real, and very useful in daily life. If you learn these, you can use them with friends, at home, and online. And trust me, your English will sound more natural. Idiom 1. No worries. Meaning, it's okay. Don't stress. Example, he said sorry. She said, no worries. Example, the plan changed. No worries. Idiom 2. I'm on it. Meaning, I will do it now. Example, send the mail. I'm on it. Example, clean the room. I'm on it. Idiom 3. Sounds good. Meaning, I agree. Example, movie at 7. Sounds good. Example, let's eat outside. Sounds good. Idiom 4. Good enough. Meaning, not perfect but okay. Example, the project was good enough. Example, the cake was not perfect but good enough. Idiom 5. For real. Meaning, seriously, honest. Example, are you leaving? For real. Example, he looked tired. For real. Idiom 6. Hold tight. Meaning, wait for a moment. Example, hold tight, dinner is coming. Example, hold tight, I'm checking. Idiom 7. All good. Meaning, everything is okay. Example, he forgot his keys. All good. Example, she came late. All good. Idiom 8. Suit yourself. Meaning, do what you want. Example, he offered help. She said, suit yourself. Example, he said no to food. Suit yourself. Idiom 9. Just in case. Meaning, for safety. Example, take water. Just in case. Example, she kept money. Just in case. Idiom 10. All yours. Meaning, you take it or you can use it. Example, he moved his chair and said, all yours. Example, she finished work. Laptop is all yours. Idiom 11. Count me in. Meaning, I join. I'm part of it. Example, picnic tomorrow. Count me in. Example, movie night. Count me in. Idiom 12. After you. Meaning, you go first. Example, they reached a door. He said, after you. Example, she smiled and said, after you. Idiom 13. Not today. Meaning, I don't want it now. Example, Jim, not today. Example, let's hang out. Not today. Idiom 14. I'm starving. Meaning, I'm very hungry. Example, he came home and said, I'm starving. Example, she skipped lunch. She was starving. Idiom 15. On fire. Meaning, doing something very well. Example, she answered every question. She was on fire. Example, he played so well. He was on fire. Idiom 16. No big deal. Meaning, it's okay. Not a problem. Example, he was late. No big deal. Idiom 17. Take it or leave it. Meaning, final offer. No change. Example, 50 rupees. Take it or leave it. Idiom 18. Not a fan. Meaning, don't like something much. Example, he said, I'm not a fan of spicy food. If you like today's idioms, don't just listen. Use them when you speak. Because English becomes easy when you practice daily, not when you only study. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to Abhisha with English. And if you already subscribed, please like and comment. Your support gives me motivation to make the next video for you. And when you interact with the video, YouTube also recommends it more. So together we all learn better. See you tomorrow.